Veterinarian. Definition: a veterinarian is a medical professional who protects the health and well-being of both animals and people. They diagnose and control animal diseases and treat sick and going back. Definition: a veterinarian is a medical professional who protects the health and well-being of both animals and people. They diagnose and control animal disease and treat sick and injured animals. They also advise owners on proper care of their pets and livestock. Subjects you need to focus in high school in order to become a veterinarian: biology, math, and English. Duration: a veterinarian degree takes 4 years, a master takes 1 to 2 years, and a PhD takes 4 to 5 years. Of course, this depends on the country and the university you're studying in. Employment rate: a veterinarian job is expected to grow by 18% from 2016 to 2026, which means that there will be a job growth of 18%. Income: the income starts at $73,580 up until $122,180 or more. Of course, this depends on the country and the place you're working. It also depends on the expertise and the experience you have in the working place. Affordable countries to study in: South Korea, which is $4,000 per year for 4 years. Taiwan, which is $358 per year for 4 years. Best universities to study in: USA, which is UCD, University of California. Netherlands, which is Utrecht University. And UK, the Royal Veterinary College. The tuition ranges from $24,000 to $44,000 per year. These are books that I recommend if you want to pursue a career in veterinary. One is called The Anatomy of Veterinarian, which is basically the anatomy of animals, and one is How to Become a Veterinarian. So I recommend these two books. Links are in the description if you want to buy it. Online courses: there's a website called Coursera, which offers 15 plus courses, and link in the description if you want to study those courses. Career options: a veterinary surgeon, a veterinary nurse, a zookeeper, a scientific researcher, a higher education lecturer, a nature conservation officer, a science writer, an environmental consultant, an ecologist. So basically, these are all the jobs you can get with a veterinary degree. Thanks for watching.